Hey guys, so I'm back with these Sims inspired nails. So other than nail art and cooking / baking, I've been playing a lot of Sims 4 during lockdown. So I wanted to paint some Sim inspired nails. I've also been obsessed with watching speed builders on YouTube. My favourites to watch is Miss Griffy and Evelyn. It's just so relaxing watching someone build a house. I like to fall asleep to them. I know it sounds bad for the creators, but their voices are just so soothing watching them build a house. But anyway, if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off painting my middle and ring fingers white. And then I painted my index and pinky with this hollow green from Super Chic Lacquer called Queen of Tea. And then on my white nails, I'm applying a glossy top coat and leaving it for 20 minutes. And then going in with my Twinkle Tea detail brush and a green acrylic paint, I'm just painting the Sims diamond. And then once I was happy with the shape, I just filled it in with green. And I did 2 coats over the top of it to give the full opacity of the acrylic paint. It's just so much easier than nail polish to paint with. And then here with a blue acrylic paint, I'm just painting the Sims. But I did finish it off camera because I can't paint freehand on camera at all. There you go, that's what it looks like. And then finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Sims inspired nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!